Stay away from toxic teachers. You'll know who they are right away. They bring negativity to every meeting and conversation. Stay as far away from them as possible because negativity is contagious and you don't want to get infected. So only spend time with people who are positive, who love teaching, who find it to be a fun challenge. You'll know who they are right away. They are relaxed, they smile, and they bring a good energy to every meeting and conversation. And they typically know how to not talk about teaching. It's important to have work friends so you can share stories from the trenches, but it's just as important to be able to talk about other things like food, family, and sports. If a conversation refuses to leave the topic of school, just walk away and find another one. Also, few people in your life will want to constantly hear about your classroom. Many teachers tend to want to talk a lot about teaching at parties, gatherings, dinners, because their students mean so much to them, but a lengthy story about the student in your third period class is not interesting to most people, and I have seen this drive a wedge in relationships. The last thing you want is to be uninvited to social gatherings because you only ever talk about one thing. So find a teacher friend or two so you can all vent to each other, and leave it there.